Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the first group. We will explain about the simple present tense. Here, I am with my two friends, Lulu Sulistiawati and Muhammad Taufik Ramdhani. The first material will be present by Lulu Sulistiawati about the meaning of the simple present tense along with example and analysis. Then, the second material will be present by myself about the time signal, the simple present tense formula, and the WH question from the simple present tense. And finally, Muhammad Taufik Ramdhani, who will convey about the function of the simple present tense along with example of negative sentences and interrogative sentences in the simple present tense.
My name is Lulu Sulistiawati. I will explain about definition or simple present tense and example and analysis simple present tense. Definition or simple present tense. Simple present tense is a form of sentence that describe event or action that occur at the present time is a simple form, or a job or action that done repeatedly, or daily habits, or even that have nothing to do with time. The next, example and analysis. The first, verbal. The example, they play basketball every Sunday. They is a subject. Play is a verb 1. Verb 1 did get extra S or ES or IES because using the for subject. Basketball is the object. Every Sunday is the verb of time. The next, nominal. The example, Sarah is a good girl. Sarah is a subject and is a to be. A good girl is an object or complement.
My name is Dewi Rahmawani. I will explain about time signal used in the simple present tense, formula in the simple present tense, and the last one is the WH question of the simple present tense. First, time signal. The time signal is a marker or adverb of time because in English there are tenses, namely the form of the verb that is adjusted to the time. For example, the verb for the present tense is different from the verb in the past. The time signal used in the present tense is the adverb of time and the adverb of frequency. Adverb of time. Adverb of time is often put or used at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. Adverb of time such as every day, every week, every month, every year, 3 times a day, twice a day, here or there, in the morning. Example, he goes to work every day. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is often placed before the verb or after to be. Adverb of frequency such as always, usually, often, seldom, normally, commonly, sometimes, generally, nowadays. Example, my father always read newspaper in the morning. Next, the formula. In its use, the simple present tense has several formula. Formula in the form of verbal sentences and nominal sentences. The first is the formula in the verbal sentences. In a positive sentence consists of subject plus verb 1 or verb 1 plus S or ES or IES plus object or complement. In a negative sentence consists of subject plus do or dies plus not plus verb 1 plus object or complement. And in an interrogative sentence consists of do or dies plus subject plus verb 1 plus object or complement. Then the formula in the nominal sentences. In a positive sentence consists of subject plus to be is MR plus object or complement. In a negative sentence consists of subject plus to be is MR plus not plus object or complement. And in an interrogative sentence consists of to be is MR plus subject plus object or complement. The following note: 1. In sentences that use the subject I, you, we, they, and the plural form, it does not get the addition of s or es or ies to the verb. 2. While in sentences that use the subject he, she, it, name of person, and the singular form get the addition of s or es or ies in the verb. 3rd, es is added to verb ending in s, o, x, z, ch, and sh. Example: kiss, kisses, fix, fixes, watch, watches, wash, washes. 4. ies is added to a verb that ends in y and is preceded by a consonant letter. Then the letter y must be replaced with I before adding es. Example: fly, flies, cry, cries, modify, modifies. And the last, while s is added to verb that do not end in s, o, w, x, z, ch, and sh, and also in verbs ending in y but preceded by a vowel a, I, u, e, o. Example: work, works, buy, buys. The last, WH question. We can also make interrogative in the form of WH question from simple present tense. For example, in nominal sentences, they are at the grocery. If we ask the subject, we use who are at the grocery. If we ask adverb, we use where are they. While in verbal sentence, the man saved money in the bank. If we ask the subject, then we use who saved his money in the bank. If we ask the object, then we use what does the man save in the bank. Class, if we ask the adverb, then we use where does the man save money.
I am Muhammad Taufik Ramadhani, will present the function and explains of negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Function. Number 1. Stating an event, action, or event that is usually done and has become a reality, or an action that has become a habit. Example: I go to work every day. Number 2. To state an event or event that have generally occurred and connect with this are state general truths. Example: the sun rises for the east. Number 3. Expressing a request or order to a second person or interlocutor. Example: please stand up, Peter. Number 4. Stating an event or event that is starting to occur early the schedule. Example: that exam starts at 8 o'clock every morning. Number 5. Stating emotion or hopes. Example: I really love English. Next, negative and interrogative sentences. Negative. They don't play basketball every Sunday. Interrogative. Do they play basketball every Sunday? Negative interrogative. Do they not play basketball every day Sunday? Negative. Sarah is not a good girl. Interrogative. Is Sarah a good girl? Negative interrogative. Is Sarah not a good girl?
Thank you for your attention, everyone.